here is for the oil system, for the emergency oil system. This one you can change the set the time. And this one was 60 minutes, and what now is 160 minutes, and you can set how many minutes. For example, 160 minutes is about 2 or 3 hours. 那这个10是什么意思嘛？
这个用10秒。
that means this one is for 10 seconds oil, 10 seconds oil, and every 160 minutes. This one for the set for the oil system. Here's the panel. Here is for start, and here is for stop. And you want to start, and there's total power and emergency stop. And here's a learning heat for this one, but what now is low use. There's 2 main hot here, 2 main hot heating, and one is the pre-fault, for the heating. Two ceramic hot heating. If you want to start the machine, you can. Here is the Chinese page, and setting, and engine stop, and the parameter set. And here's for the step motor, and here's for the valve control. The angle. Here's the angle. The angle set. And here is the set information. And the English. The English is home page, English and operation page. The speed is about 22 pieces per minute, and 22 pieces per minute. And hot air on, hot water 2, and the learning heater off, and edge heat on, and start, stop, and then there is a paper fade on, off, and the material detection alarm. And here is the basic. And here's the basic setting. The alarm and the system, and the parameter set. And here's the angle set. And here is there's angle set, and here is the parameter set. The information for the converter in the back, and input page, monitor page, operation, back, and the basic setting. And output setting, output information, input information, and back, and the parameter setting, and operation page, back, home, and the Chinese and English. Here is a touch screen. Here is the hot air, hot 2. And it's set inside the operation. Hot air on, hot air 2 on, and here is a heater, and the hot air 3 and H. Hot air 1, hot air 2, hot air 1, hot air 2, and H 3 is this one for the side setting. 83 for the side sail. For this one. And auxiliary is air supply on, air supplier is on, and auxiliary is on. On is the motor on, the Lerling motor, and here is the top curly motor. Here's top curly motor. Here's a Lerling motor. The machine is start. You can start press on, and auto start. And you press stop. And his automatic feed paper. And because the automatic feed paper and the button, automatic feed paper and button, you should switch off. You can switch off the air. You switch off the paper, the button paper and the cut paper, and here is automatic. And here auto stop. Where is low paper feed, auto stop. Where low paper feed, auto stop. Because here is the air supply is on. You can set the air paper feed on, air paper feed off. Air paper feed on or paper feed off, and to start and to stop it. Because here is when you start the machine, automatic feed the paper, because here the feed paper and for the main motor is the same, it's auto. And you can go to back into the English. I show you operation page and basic setting. In the basic setting, you see this one is together. If you set off, it's automatic, it's manually, and here is on, off. So that means together. While the machine is working, while you feed the paper here, feed the paper here with automatic sack paper, and also here, you can adjustment. You can here for feed paper, urgent stop and jog for inch moving. Also, there are other jog and inch moving. Here is the jog and urgent stop. And here is the power, electric power. Here's the electric power. And the paper feed here. Paper feed system is here. You will assemble here. And here is also urgent stop and jog. Here's the machine is working. This machine change the mode. Is not very difficult, but adjust the machine. Because the mode is heavy, so you need adjustment a lot of. For example, from here and here, and there are a lot of adjustment. So that's why we do not suggest you change the mode. And when you stop the hot air, you must you can turn off the power. You can turn off the operation. You can off the hot air. Here. And the total power, urgent stop. So the machine is working is simple. Paper feed hole, and the tear detection. If you want to start the machine, and you should turn off the detection. The alarm system. This one is for alarm system. And the paper feed off, on off. Okay, here is a setting for the normal, and we can go to back, home page, and English. and operation page, operation, put here, and the learning header, and edge on, and start, stop, auxiliary motor on, and the air supply on, and paper feed off, and the virtual testing motor off. Later, well, you should fade it off, and well, this on, this one should go to the alarm station set on. Here's the speed, here's the speed set, and here is the basic setting. Basic setting is for the manual, page, and for the testing and alarm, and operation page and the parameter screen. Parameter screen for the jog frequency. You can change the speed, and here for the set for the location, and here for the set for the angle, location, frequency, and ultrasonic boarding time, ultrasonic sailing time, and advanced paper time, and the number of outage number, how many days, and here is cyclical oil, international, and cyclical oil stop cut, cyclical oil on off, ultrasonic, rattle is on if you want to set off. And here is a paper fading, the prefade, the perfect motor, and here is the step motor set. Step motor, the fading speed and the fading the length, and send the button paper cups, one button. The length setting, and the catch marks, and the black marks, parameter, and here's for the page, to explain the angle, the machine's angle. If you have any problem later, you can change. If you have any problem, you can show us the angle. We can tell you how to do it. Or the oil, and the curling, the paper fair, and also you have the parameter page operation, and the IR motor. This input page and output page, IR motor, and operation page. And here is the parameter. Parameters, the frequency, AC travel, and the back to the home, and the Chinese is this one. The speed. And here is reset, and here is a man page, and here is alarm system, and here is the setting, here is the setting, here is the setting, and here is 步进电机 step motor, and angle set, and parameter set. Okay, here's the set in English. And here's total power, and here's the start and stop. Urgent start and stop, and you collect the electric circuit. The collected circuit is 3-phase, RSTN 3-phase. Collect the electric RSTN 3-phase, and N is long line, and the P is protect earth line. The last one is protect earth line. If you have the P protect earth line, RST is fire line, and here is AC driver, and here is the PLC control. And here is contactor. And the time switch. And then is solid state relay. Here is the solid state relay. on the state relay, and here is the information. Here's the inside. Here's step motor. Here's step motor, and you need to collect the compressor. And after you collect the compressor, here's the feed paper. Also, here's for the bottom paper lift, the lift control, the bottom paper lift control, and you feed. And here's the blower. Here's the blower to blow the hot air. Here's the blower to blow the hot air. And inside is oil system. Here's the blower to blow the hot air, and there is inside the you see, blower. You must check its keep open, the blower. And here's a Lurley motor. Here's a Lurley motor, and here's a silent coil. Here's a silent coil for the top curling. Here's a silent coil for the top curling. Here's a silent coil for the top curling, and also for the control. The control. And here's the finish and the bottom feed and the main motor and the bottom feed, main motor, the bottom feed. Okay, machine is almost finished, and the step motor. And here's jog and stop, and they collect the air. The air is here. The air. You need to collect the air pipe. The air pipe for the. Here's feeder. Feed the paper, and here is also oil. A silent oil. Silent oil for the top curling. Here's the silent oil for the top curling. The silent oil comes from here. The silent oil also. This one is prepared. This one is prepared for the silent oil for the bottom heating. The bottom, and here is also the silent oil. The silent oil control. Okay. And then you can start the power and try to test it. And you can run manually. You can operation page. You can manually jog. You can jog, and also you can use this one, the jog to running, and that one jog running. After finish the machine, feed the paper there, and the lift. This one is for the lift. The paper feed here. Then lift the paper, switch. Then lift the paper. Use the paper and here and the switch to control it. Then lift the paper wall because the paper wall is very big, and the bottom feed and the bottom edge cut and come from here, and the front feed pull, the motor pull, put here, pulled and then feed to the bottom punch, and feed to the bottom punch. After finish will be like this. After the machine finish, and here is the collect. Here is the cap collect page, and here is the top curling, and here is the knurling. Here's the finish. After finish like this, feed the paper, and here's the silent coil, here's the sensor detect, and here's the ultrasonic, and start and stop, urgent start, stop. Okay. Here is the machine controller. Okay, here we do. And here's the main motor. Here's the button and the sensor detects, and the feed and also sensor detects. You see the sensor detects, and here is the sensor. Here's also sensor detect, the cap drop, and here's for the. This one is a sensor for the lift. After you feed the paper, and here's the sensor detect the paper short, and this one sensor detects, and after this one sensor detect and ultrasonic working, and then the sensor, and then it comes to here, and this one detects the paper lift to the mold, And if low paper, just stop. Low paper, stop. And here's a bottom punch. Here's a bottom punch to the mold. Bottom punch to the mold. And here's the sensor detector the bottom punch. Has a cap drop. If the cap not discharge, the sensor, it will auto come to here, auto stop, and here's step motor for the feed button. And this one is a pre-feed motor, feed the paper, bottom paper. And here is the bottom detector sensor, And this sensor for the to feed the button, This sensor feed the button. So step motor feed the button, and here the same ultrasonic. This one is for ultrasonic working. Detect the paper and then send the signal to the ultrasonic, and then ultrasonic will start working. And here is the control. Here's the control, and here the sensor detects the lift the cap button, and here insert the button, and hot air, ceramic hot air working, and the cyanic oil and the spray oil for the Ford. And here is for the knurling, cap button knurling. This here is for the cap button knurling. And here is for the cap top curling, mode. And here is the control. Okay, here is the simple, and here is the final curling, the oil curling, and here is the final collect. Okay. Here is the paper. And the cap bump and side sealing. A big size speed is about 30 to 40 pieces. And here lift to the mold and hot air heating. And here for the collect. And here is collect the package. Only after the finish the collector, we are then everything will be finished.